This village is too small. They have everything you can think of. It's a beautiful place to be. About more than 10 boreholes free to villagers. They don't suffer. This is what they, this is a Leki of Obinagu Udi. You cannot talk about this town without vero, Onyia. That's it. Hello guys. So one thing I find out in this Enugu State Udi is that they have a very good road network. You understand? When you go to other part of Anambra State, you will be seeing like Neni or Sumeni, no, we don't have road network. So those people, those places where you go there, you will see very beautiful road connection in their villages. So I thought I cannot get such a thing in Enugu State, but to precise that, to my surprise, when we came to this Udi, Obinagu, their road, they have road network. Just look at road. Efere, Nenunkan. When you go down, we'll go down to the village and show you how beautiful, fine the road is. Uzo farmer ga say, ebe ni na ro onye fuzo. Obaye ga say, nda adika, ebe meje compare ebo na neni or alo. Alo nwe ha nwere uzo. Nda ebe aka na-eji we compare. Ma na Enugu na Igbo siri ike guy. You got to go. Onwere na Igbo eji we si na nda amade fa ha na eme. No ije ifo. Ayo ma bụ ndị ije. When you go, you will see. Understand? Udi Obinagu na disappoint ramu uji sike yotago ebe obi na watch that ka ba ni me ka ofu the main thing na gu na ebe na as I was saying, like this Obinagu have road network. So when you see here now, look at it, just a junction. More deeper in the village, you know, eba ni me full nose on nose eba or bagowe. If you that knows eba, they have a very good road network, just like Neni or Alo in Anambra State. Or you can talk of Osume. The way you go to Abia State, you talk of Abreba. This is Obinagu, and in Enugu State Udi. But they have everything you think of in Anambra State. So I'm happy, and not only electricity is here, they are very close to all the things you need to be happy in a town is here in the village. So this is what they call development. So Enugu State can never carry last. It is doing well. So last time when we came, we saw beautiful roads everywhere. So but somehow our gadget, like you will have snow battle, we couldn't cover it, but we have to make time to come back again. Do you understand? So today, that's why we come here tonight to cover everything. In food that if I remember and they if also there, although I open it again, if you are following our videos, you see that last time the community ruler, like that is Igwe Oboda chief Okurumaka, they have one of the best roads network in Igbo land. They are just very smaller village. They have two parishes. They want to go big parish. This is St. Dominic, and another parish. They have another Catholic parish. There's some big parish again. The same thing with Anglican. I know some people will not know about how big it is, but this village is too small. They have everything you can think of. This is a beautiful place to be. About more than 10 boreholes free to villagers. They don't suffer. This is what this is a Leki of Obinagu Udi. And you cannot say, you cannot talk about this town without Lady Veronia. That's it. Ọ bụrụ na ikwe without him na ịda arụrụ ana n'elu ụzọ ma ebe a na-egosisi gị ebe a ụzọ tọgbọrọ onwe ya ebie na o nwere onye dị ka iburu moto na asị na ịma ndegwu na bai. No, you will drive safely from all the way from Enugu to Obinagu village. Ebe ọ bụla ị na-eje ịmatụ galop. So Enugu steeti nwere ife ị na-efe ụlọ anyị ị na-ashare for ndị ọzọ etu aka na-esi egosi gị ebe ọ bụla anyị na-eje efe ife dị iche. Igbo karịrị mmadụ. Onwere obodo dị small, onwere obodo dị mpe. No, ije efo, when you go you will see. That's it. You understand? Thank you for following us. Share this video so it will get to other people. God bless you.